Hi guys, in today's video, I will walk you through the easy steps on how to use Eastwest virtual credit card for online purchases. So whether you're shopping for your favorite item or paying for services, this guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. So let's dive in and make the most out of your Eastwest virtual credit card for convenient and secure transactions. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so using your Eastwest virtual credit card for payment is actually easy. So when you're shopping online, just head to the checkout page and then look for the credit card option. And then what you need to do is just input the details of your virtual credit card. So that includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV or security code. Also, don't forget to also provide your billing information such as your name and address. Now, once you've got all that entered, just follow the steps on the screen to complete your purchase. So you will likely receive a confirmation from the merchant, and afterward, take a moment to check your Eastwest online account. So there you can find the updated details of your transaction. Now just keep an eye on your virtual credit card transactions regularly, as it helps you stay on the loop of your spending and quickly spot anything unusual. And that's it. If you ever have questions or run into issues, then Eastwest Bank's customer support is there to assist you. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.